In primetime news this evening, PNP shares its manifesto but withholds some of its plans over fears the JLP could steal the ideas.
A woman suspected of orchestrating gun attack on policeman and his family arrested.
And another child struck and injured on Prospect Main Road days after a boy dies on the roadway. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, well, petrol prices are going down tomorrow, and we tell you about Connex Air Carrier. It's a new freight flight airline. I'll tell you about those and more in the business day.
It's a what? Freight? Flight?
Right.
Air. All right, so Jermaine Brown, can you do better than that?
Yeah.
What's coming up in Primetime Sports?
I'll tell you about fast. Right, so the World Championships are fast approaching, and as such, another team is off to a regional championships as the athletes try to qualify for Tokyo. We'll tell you more about that a bit later on.
And I'm loving his tie. Romain is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, over the next few days across the Jamaica area, we have the wind speeds decreasing, especially across the open waters in offshore areas, so we're expecting to see an increase in clouds across the area in the afternoons.
All right, so the man in black is in blue tonight. He'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, Archie, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the proposals outlined in the PNP manifesto?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. And you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.